Good morning, everybody. This is Nichelle Greene, one of your counselors here at Mac High, and I am representing the College and Career Readiness Department to talk to you about how you're going to get yourself graduated and then what you are going to do with your life after high school. So we're going to talk graduation requirements. We're going to cover quickly some post-secondary options, and then I'll give you the links to different jump starts that will be videos that will go a bit more in depth in some of these different pathways. So the first thing that we want to look at is how we're going to get yourself graduated. So here are the graduation requirements for the standard diploma and the honors diploma. So I'm going to go through these. You need 4 credits of English. That means all 4 years you guys are going to have to take an English class. 3 credits of social studies, 3 credits of math that have to be at Algebra 1 or higher, 3 credits of science, 1 credit of PE, 1 credit of health. And just know that actually means 2 classes of PE and 2 classes of health to equal out to 1 credit each. 3 credits of pathway, 6 credits of electives. And then here, this is where we start to differ. So for your standard diploma, you need 3 credits of applied arts, and you don't officially need a second language to graduate with a standard. However, for your honors diploma, you're going to need 1 credit of applied arts and then 2 credits of the same foreign language. For the honors diploma, you're also going to need 7 AP or honors classes and then a GPA of 3.5 or higher at the end of the first semester of your senior year. Good to know, though, even if you are on the standard diploma and you want to go to a 4-year college or university, you also need the 2 years of the same foreign language in order to get into that college or university. You're also going to need the personal education plan or PEP for graduation. For the standard and honors diploma, this is going to look like having a resume, career research worksheet, a career-related experience, which might be the job expo or job shadow. Now, for the class of 2021 and beyond, this is going to look a little bit different. You are actually going to earn a half a credit, a pathway that will be required for graduation. And we will have various activities that you can choose from to go through a point system, and you'll do all of those the entire 4 years of school. So again, that's for class of 2021 and beyond. We also need the essential skills, and that is the testing that we do for language arts with the reading, the writing, and then the math. So when it comes to your standard diploma, you must meet the state standard in the approved state exam. That could be a test that's your junior year. It could also be essays that you're taking your senior year or a different type of test your senior year. As for the honors diploma, you must meet or exceed in the state standard in an approved state exam and meet or exceed the state standard in the OAK science. So there is a higher expectation for honors diploma. Nothing different for class of 2021. Those will all be the same. So the 3 areas of graduation requirements are going to be your credits, the PEP, and then your essential skills. Before you graduate as well, we want you guys to take advantage of all the opportunities we have here at MHS. We have the Career Pathway Program, which we have anywhere from 17 to 19 different pathways you can become a part of. We have some of the highest rates of college credit now in the States. We also have numerous AP honors classes, plus our sports and clubs. It's really important to know that most colleges and programs after high school look at the whole student. They want to see more than just academic performance. They want to see what clubs you're in, what activities you're doing. They want to take a look at the whole student. And it's just really key to know that there are a lot of different support centers here in the school, whether it's with the deans, a counselor, the college and career facilitators. There are so many people that want to help you to figure out what you want to do or maybe what you don't want to do after school. So what are some kind of the key areas for post-secondary options? Some kids are going to go right into work, military, continuing education, and then other different tracks that we have. So I'm going to talk briefly about these. So for some of you, you might want to just go right to work, and that's okay too. So the Career Center has job postings for students that don't have their high school diploma yet, or for postings for those students that have earned their high school diploma or their GED. We definitely encourage you to still take college credit now courses because you'd be able to select on those job applications that you have some college. This is going to set you apart from other students, other applicants that don't have that. We definitely know some of you want to go into the military, and we have recruiters here on campus from all branches of the military. We do offer the ASVAB, which is required. It's a test that's required before you get into the military. So you would want to sign up for that and then take the test here. We also encourage you again to continue with those CCN courses because taking those classes could start you out at a higher ranking when you enlist. And then, of course, you might be able to continue your education during and after your service. Many people enlist in the military knowing that they want to pursue and get their bachelor's degree, and this is a great way to have it done. So, if you want to continue education, you want to keep going to school, there are a lot of different types of programs out there. There's career technical vocational trade schools. That's a place where you're going, you know what you want to do. Maybe you want to be in chef, so you go to a culinary arts school. You want to be a cosmetologist, so you would go to a beauty school. Apprenticeship programs are awesome. Those are often for folks that want to work in the trades of electrician, HVAC, plumber. So you're actually working on the job, getting paid while you go to school. Again, just kind of like the career technical, these are usually under 2-year programs. Then we have community colleges. These offer certificates. We definitely encourage you that if you're interested in a vocational school, check out the community colleges because they often have the same types of programs that maybe are more affordable for you or closer to where you're living. With a community college, you could also get your associate's degree or a transfer degree to move yourself on to that 4-year school. And then again, the 4-year school is offered if you want to get your bachelor's degree, numerous majors that we have available for you in Oregon. And then it might also get you going to your graduate degree. And then other options. We've helped students out wanting to get into the police academy, wanting to do different internships. So maybe you're not sure what you want to explore or you have an idea that isn't something we've talked about. Come see your counselor, stop by the Career Center, and let's talk about it. We want to be able to help you figure all of this out, whether it's figuring out what you want or figuring out what you don't want. We are here for you. So what are you considering? There is a lot, and I know it can be overwhelming, but it's never too early and never too late to start your planning. The earlier that you start, the better it's going to be for you. But even if you're a senior listening to this, we want to be able to help you. So we have some more in-depth jump starts related to work, military, continued education, and then accelerated. If you're in an accelerated class that this might fit for you. And so you can take a look at this and get some more detailed information. Again, you have any questions or concerns, please come see one of your support staff. We are here for you. We want to make your experience in high school great, along with setting you up for after high school. Take care.